Hi, my name is Aubrey Hicks. Do you know that beef is a healthy source of 10 different vitamins and nutrients? 90% of the farms in the U.S. are family farms like mine. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make classic beef stuffed peppers. Ingredients you'll need are parsley, tomato paste, minced garlic, cooked rice, rotel, bell peppers, salt and black pepper, onions, and of course, ground beef. Carefully cut up the tops and remove the membranes and seeds from the peppers. Return the tops to the peppers and put foil on them. Bake it for 15 minutes at 475 degrees. Put your ground beef, onion, and garlic into a skillet and bake it at medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Stir in the rest of your ingredients for 3 to 4 minutes or until finished. Remove the top of the pepper and divide the meat mixture evenly between all the peppers. After you put the mix in, put the tops back on the peppers and bake for 20 minutes. Check the meat and make sure it's above 160. For more healthy beef recipes, visit beefeatswhatfordinner.com.